down the straight for the first time and sign on Sally.
Cheryl, where's my dinner?
What did you say, Barney?
Where's my dinner, Cheryl?
What, Barney?
Put your damn hearing aid in, Cheryl.
Dinner? You get it.
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 You get it. That's the door, Cheryl. You get it.
Hello?
Sarah Connor.
What?
Sarah Connor.
What?
Sarah Connor.
What, Sonny?
Sarah Connor.
Yes, that's me.
Cheryl, did you get it?
Cheryl.
You get it. Get it, buy it, sell it, house sit it, swap it, pet sit it, get it free at yougetit.com.au. Free web classifieds. Get it before someone else does.
No, just joking! Who's going? Oh, I'm actually a stripper! Hi! My name is Johan. Come inside! Not for you, it's only for her, yeah!